legend already, I don't care what you think. And you can lose first place in the blink. I know what you're thinking, he's gonna be leaking. No, I'm a survivor, the last Mohicans. Rappers bore me, catch me posted on the corner like Hori, or dancing on a show like Maurice.
All right, so you made it to day 12. Here's where things start to shift and become more detrimental to your success. At this particular point, I think it's a great time to start to buy your tools. Buy the things that you'll need, all right? Whether that is notebook, writing utensils, whatever that is. Calculator, I don't know. Everyone's different. I can tell you for myself, I chose to purchase a tablet, and I wanted this tablet to be only for investing. And I use that tablet every single day, all right? It was a Galaxy Tab A. That's what it was. And it has been great for me. It's very quick, it's very fast. Initially, I was writing things down, and I just realized that I needed more. And from that particular time on, I've been using a tablet. Now, your cell phone might be good enough. Again, I tried that, and it was fine. But I noticed that the screen was too small for me. So I think you have to really assess who you are as a person and ask yourself, what do I need to become successful? Prepare yourself. This day is about getting the necessary tools to be successful.
I'm a legend already, I don't care what you think. And you can lose first place in the blink. I know what you're thinking, he's gonna be leaking. No, I'm a survivor, the last Mohican.